Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to clean a windshield to be showroom ready. I'm Jay. This is Jay's How-To channel.
Okay, first we're coming in with a really wet paper towel. Now we're lifting the windshield wiper blades and making our windshield really wet. And again on the other side, we're making it really wet. Okay, now we're going to wring out the paper towel. You get this paper towel, just keep it damp. I like to use a product called Barkeeper's Friend. It's not a cleanser, it's actually a polish. Now I'm sprinkling this on my windshield and I'm coming back in with a damp paper towel. Now I'm making little circles. Keep making little circles. This will remove any debris, hard water stains, or dust that's on your windshield. I'll speed this up for you guys. Make sure you get all the debris off your windshield. And then sprinkle on the other side. Hey, I'd really appreciate it if you guys would subscribe to my channel and press that like button. And now we're going to let this dry to a haze. I have a dry paper towel here, and we're going to buff this clean. Look how pretty. And then the other side. It really looks so good. It's actually showroom ready right now. Thanks for watching the video to the end, you guys. Really appreciate you.